Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We are unboxing my Fab Fit Fun winter box. There is a mystery bundle in here as well. We're giving away one of the items to one of you. Let me set this down. This box is kind of heavy. Welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of November, it is the Juvia's Place Culture 2 palette. You can do so many cool looks with this one. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. Talks about how to enter that one, as well as my many other giveaways that I've got going on. And you guys, I'm filming a bunch coming up soon, so make sure to check those out. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot, and giveaways are so easy. Be subscribed to the channel, watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Juvia's Place Afro Galactic palette. Super pretty. Mainly did this row right here. I mean, look at how this one shifts between like a green and to pink. So pretty. So FabFitFun is one of my oldest subscriptions, and I just renewed it again for like an annual member, because if you're an annual member, you get to choose all of them instead of them having picked something for you. So I did do that. And it also saves you some money in the long run. Speaking of saving you guys some money, I do have a code for FabFitFun. That's in the description box down below. Make sure that you check that out if you want to use it. If you've never used FabFitFun before, it'll save you some money, and it helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. And I did pick up 2 add-ons. So one of them, you got like a choice, you know, that you could have, you know, for your choice number 1, whatever. You could choose one, but let's say you wanted something else from that choice as well. You could do that. So I did that on one of them, and then I picked from their add-on store something else that I'm super excited about, and I can't wait to show you guys. I also have starter boxes to give away. How the starter boxes work is you send me your name, your email address. I send that off to FabFitFun. FabFitFun sends you an email, say, hey, Christina recommended you to get one of our starter boxes. And what you do is you basically sign up for the service, but you do have 21 days to cancel it. All you have to do is pay for free shipping, and there's over $75 worth of value in them. They're really good deal. So if you're interested in that, let me know as well. So let's get in the box. Let's find out what I'm going to give away to one of you guys. So the first item in here, you know, we're getting close to Christmas, so I'm kind of setting stuff aside, is the Fenty Beauty Fenty Edge Air Perfume. This retails for $140. Your box was only $60. So this right here just doubled your box. It's a warm, kind of sensual type of fragrance. So I can't wait to gift this one to a friend. For choice number 2, it is the iconic London. It is the Heat of the Moment eye palette. It does retail for $62. It's actually more than an eye palette. So here's what she kind of looks like, but I mean, you could definitely do like a highlighter here, kind of a setting shimmery powder here, a blush, a bronzer. So it says, turn up the heat this winter with this all-in-one face and eye palette. It has everything you need to create the perfect festive holiday party glam, from stunning matte shades to glimmery shadows that'll make your eyes pop. Complete your look with soft powder bronzer, blush, and highlighter with a blend of seamlessly onto your skin. So pretty. I am so jazzed about this one. This is the Paragan MD Essential FX Alkali Glycolic Smoothing and Brightening Under Eye Cream. This retails for $125. It is 15 millimeters full size. With results you need to see to believe, this brightening under eye cream has a balm-like texture that literally melts into your skin to nourish, soften, and brighten the gentle skin around your eyes. You'll be able to trick people into thinking you got 8 hours of sleep. Since the balm also works to reduce the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles, this has 4.5 stars. I cannot wait to try this one. I did pick up another fragrance. I love the Riddle fragrances. So this one is the Muse 8mm roll-on fragrance. It does retail for $58. It's 4 stars. Easiest way to smell good all day. This fragrance oil has a light, fresh scent, and it's easy to carry with you because it's so small. When you're out and about, and just dab it quick on your neck, wrist. Delivers delicious notes of peach, coconut, peony, balanced with bergamot, sandalwood, and musk. I can't do sandalwood smells, and I'm allergic to coconut, so it passes on to somebody else. Or put it in a future giveaway, or this one. Ahava is a mineral radiance cleansing gel. It's 4 stars. It does retail for $28. And your skincare routine just got a major upgrade. We wave goodbye to impurities. Hello to radiant glowing skin with a cleansing gel. It's gentle, hydrating, and non-drying. Make it the perfect everyday go-to for fresh, clean, and rejuvenated skin. Sounds pretty good. We were not done with Fenty yet. This is the Fenty Skin Cookies and Cream Whipped Clay Pore Detox Face Mask with salicylic acid plus charcoal. Fenty Skin continues to do no wrong when it comes to top-tier skincare must-haves. And this pore detox has found a permanent spot in their routine. Key ingredients of the whipped clay and charcoal clear dirt and purify pores, leaving you with smoother looking skin. It is a 4 star. Sounds really good. I don't really do clay masks, so I specifically picked this one for either today's giveaway or a future one. I mean, for your money's worth, this was an awesome box. You had 2 products alone that were over $100 each, so your total of the box was $448. Really good deals, seeing as you only spent $59 on the box. I do want to do a couple of my add-ons, what I picked up, and then we'll get into the mystery bundle as well. I can't believe I gave my last dibs away without trying it, giving it a fair shake, saying what I think. This is amazing. So this is the Dibs Beauty Glow Toner Duo in Aurora. It is 4 stars, retails for $38. I picked it up for $18. And vibe check. This pH-powered shimmering blush matches your natural pH to create custom to you pink flush. Level up your look with clear, dewy highlighter for a glistening finish. What do you guys think? Do you guys think the whole pH thing is like, yeah, whatever? Or do you think it's actually real? I'm just wondering, like, would this shade show up the same on everybody? I guess. I don't know. All I know is I like it. So here's what the packaging looks like. Now, when I saw this blush, I was like, wait, what? Say what? It's like, you know, purple grayish tone. And I was just like, I'm not so sure about this. But watch, okay? Doesn't look purple on the hand. It's so pretty. Like, perfect flush. Let me, like, blend that out a little bit. So see, it's just that natural, like out in the winter, chilly. And then the other side is just as good. So here's what the highlighter looks like. I'll put it next to it to start off with. It's not glittery, which I love for highlighters. I've kind of gotten away from the glitter, but it just gives you a little bit of shimmer love. Now let's put it a little bit over the pink and see how it transforms that pink just to be like, stunning. Love it. This one is going in my everyday drawer. Let me know if you guys want a video of like stuff that's going on that I've got in my everyday drawer. So obviously I have curly hair. So I did pick up, and I used to be an Aveda girl all the time, so I did pick up the Be Curly Advanced Curl Enhancer Cream. I think I got this for like $18 as well, and it retails for $36. It is 4.5 stars. And get ahead of the curl with this enhancer cream, a stylish staple that fights frizz. Need help with that. Like this side looks really nice and curly. This side is kind of getting a little out of control, and it's getting a little out of control on the top. Add shine while making your curls pop. From beachy waves to defined curls. This styling cream will enhance your natural look and keep your hair looking smooth and fresh. Yes, please. So one of the items in the mystery bundle that I got is the Adoba Aquafina Insulated Tumbler. It does retail for $29.99. So the pink Aquafina Tumbler is perfect for those who can't decide between hot and cold drinks. It's an insulated double-walled stainless steel tumbler with dual function leak-proof lid featuring a built-in silicone straw for cold drinks and a flip open hot sip lid for coffee, tea. One tumbler does it all, the Aquafina. I think I have an idea for this for a friend for like a little Christmas gift. Get like this and maybe some hot chocolate and like a little, if I can find like a little thing of either peppermint schnapps or butterscotch schnapps in there. That's what I'm kind of thinking. Sometimes in the mystery bundles, you can't find any information, which is the case on my second item. It is the Summer and Rose heel socks. There are 6 pairs there. They're kind of like fall themed colors. And these ankle socks are the socks that I love. So, especially every day. If I'm running around the house and it's winter, like super cold, then I like the big fuzzy, like thicker socks. You know, they go up higher, but for running around every day, I do like these. So I think I'm gonna like this. So last item that was in my Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle is a Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It does retail for $42. You guys, this is a full 5-star review item. And get a shot of green goodness with a facial mask that nourishes, hydrates the skin for a brighter, softer, and smoother appearance. Sounds pretty good to me. What'd you guys think? I thought this was a really good bundle. I mean, I've had like better bundles, but I mean, for the mystery bundle, so the total of that one was $71.99. So you just paid for it with your $19.99 if you're going to use the items. That's the biggest thing with all subscription boxes. You got to make sure that you're going to use those items. So I think the 2 products that I'm really the most excited about is the Paragan MD Smoothing and Brightening Under Eye Cream and also the Aveda Be Curly Advanced. What 2 were your favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. Secret word of the day is winter. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments down below. I kind of went to this like fun Basque event this weekend and got to see some good friends. And of course my family was there. Loved it. I just wish my son was there too. But I get to see him next week. Next week is Thanksgiving, so I get to see him then. And I haven't seen him since mid-August. And this mama needs a hug from her son. Yes, I get to see him on FaceTime like once a week, but I need to, there's nothing like hugging your kiddo. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. Oh, what are we giving away? That might help. Let's give away that Ahava Mineral Radiance Cleansing Gel. I just have a gel that finally works for my skin. I just have a formula that I love that makes my skin look really good. I got a lot of compliments on this basket event that I went to. So I kind of don't want to deviate away from that for right now. So I am giving away the Ahava Mineral Radiance Cleansing Gel to one of you guys. So look in the description box down below. There's a Google form. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. And also put on it that secret word. Now you can get bonus entries. And how the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark on it if you did actually do them, because I do check and I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your first way is if you follow me on Instagram, that is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok, it's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share it with your family, friends, on your social media accounts. Make sure to tag me on those because I love seeing those. And it helps the channel grow when you guys do that. And I wanted a way to say thank you guys so much because it means the world to me. YouTube's no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. It truly makes me happy when I can make somebody else happy. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaways open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So the giveaway go through December 6th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then hopefully sometime that next week, I'll get on here. I'll take from the Google Forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, first name, first initial, last name, put those on the computer. The computer spins all the names around the computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all those forms. I don't create distribution lists. I don't keep them for anything. I don't sell that information. I don't do anything like that. It just helps when I go out to mail out the prizes to the winners. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!